Rivers are the lifeblood of our planet. They are dynamic, ever-changing, and vital to the health of our ecosystems. From the smallest streams to the mightiest rivers, these waterways are constantly at work, shaping the world around us. They carve paths through rock and soil, shaping landscapes over millennia. The Grand Canyon, for instance, is a testament to the power of rivers. Over millions of years, the Colorado River has cut through layers of rock, creating one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on Earth. Their currents carry nutrients and sediments supporting diverse ecosystems. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants and the survival of countless species of fish, insects, and other wildlife. Rivers are the arteries of the natural world, distributing life-sustaining resources far and wide. We depend on rivers for drinking water, irrigation, and transportation. In many parts of the world, rivers are the primary source of fresh water for communities. They provide the water needed to grow crops, sustain livestock, and support human life. Rivers are also vital transportation routes, allowing goods and people to move efficiently across great distances. We build cities and towns along their banks. From ancient civilizations to modern metropolises, rivers have always been central to human settlement. They offer a reliable water source, fertile land for agriculture, and a means of transport and trade. Cities like London, Paris, and Cairo owe much of their development to the rivers that flow through them. But rivers are also powerful forces of nature. Their flow is relentless. During heavy rains or snow melt, rivers can swell and overflow their banks, leading to floods that can devastate communities. The sheer force of a river's current can reshape the land, moving massive amounts of earth and rock. Over time, they erode the very land that contains them. This process, known as riverbank erosion, is a natural and ongoing phenomenon. It can lead to the loss of valuable land and the displacement of communities. However, it also creates new habitats and contributes to the dynamic nature of river ecosystems. This process, called riverbank erosion, is a natural phenomenon. It is a reminder of the ever-changing nature of our planet. As rivers meander and shift course, they create new landscapes and habitats, demonstrating the incredible power of water to shape the world. However, human activities can accelerate it. Deforestation, construction, and agriculture can all contribute to increased erosion and sedimentation in rivers. By altering the natural flow of water and removing vegetation that stabilizes riverbanks, we can inadvertently cause significant environmental damage. It is crucial to manage our interactions with rivers carefully to preserve their health and the benefits they provide. Uncontrolled riverbank erosion poses significant threats. Infrastructure like bridges, roads, and pipelines can be undermined and destroyed. This disrupts transportation and can isolate communities. Farmland is also vulnerable. Erosion eats away at valuable topsoil, reducing agricultural productivity. Homes and businesses built too close to rivers face the risk of being swept away. Engineers have developed various techniques to combat riverbank erosion. This is a critical issue, as erosion can lead to loss of land, damage to infrastructure, and negative impacts on ecosystems. By understanding the dynamics of water flow and sediment transport, engineers can design effective solutions to protect riverbanks and maintain the integrity of the surrounding environment. One common method is riprap. Riprap involves placing large rocks or concrete blocks along the riverbank. These materials are chosen for their durability and ability to withstand the force of flowing water. The rocks are strategically placed to create a rough surface that disrupts the flow of water, reducing its erosive power. Large rocks or concrete blocks are piled along the riverbank. This method is particularly effective in areas with high water velocity, where the force of the current can quickly erode softer materials. The size and weight of the riprap materials help to anchor the riverbank in place, preventing further erosion. This creates a protective barrier that absorbs the energy of the current. By dissipating the energy of the flowing water, riprap helps to stabilize the riverbank and protect it from erosion. This method is not only effective but also relatively easy to install and maintain, making it a popular choice for erosion control. Another technique uses gabion cages. Gabions are wire mesh baskets filled with rocks or other durable materials. These cages are flexible and can be stacked to form a solid yet permeable structure along the riverbank. The flexibility of gabions allows them to conform to the natural contours of the riverbank, providing a custom fit that enhances their effectiveness. These are wire mesh baskets filled with rocks or other durable materials. The materials used in gabions are selected for their ability to withstand the forces of water and weather. The wire mesh is typically made from galvanized steel, which resists rust and corrosion, ensuring the longevity of the structure. Gabions are stacked along the riverbank like giant Lego blocks. This modular approach allows for easy installation and adjustment. If a section of the riverbank needs additional support, more gabions can be added without disrupting the existing structure. This adaptability makes gabions a versatile solution for a variety of erosion control scenarios. They are flexible and can conform to the shape of the river, providing effective erosion control. The permeability of gabions also allows water to flow through them, reducing the pressure on the riverbank and further preventing erosion. By combining durability, flexibility, and permeability, gabions offer a comprehensive solution for protecting riverbanks from the relentless forces of nature. While traditional methods like riprap are effective, they can sometimes appear out of place in natural settings. Bioengineering offers a more sustainable and aesthetically pleasing approach. This involves using vegetation to stabilize riverbanks. Native plants with deep roots are particularly effective. Their roots bind the soil together, making it more resistant to erosion. Bioengineering not only protects the riverbank but also enhances the local ecosystem by providing habitat for wildlife. Section 5. A view from above, the unfolding drama. Satellite imagery provides a stunning perspective on the dynamic relationship between rivers and the land. From space, we can witness the meandering paths rivers carve over time. We can see how they deposit sediment in some areas while eroding others. These images highlight the immense power of water. They also underscore the importance of understanding and managing river systems. Section 6. Engineering Success. Case Studies and Impacts. Around the world, engineers are successfully implementing erosion control measures. These projects are not only crucial for protecting infrastructure and human settlements, but also play a significant role in preserving natural habitats. By stabilizing riverbanks, we can prevent soil erosion, reduce sedimentation in water bodies, and maintain the ecological balance. This is particularly important in regions prone to heavy rainfall and flooding, where erosion can lead to devastating consequences for both the environment and local communities. In the Netherlands, a country with a long history of water management, innovative techniques protect low-lying areas from flooding and erosion. The Dutch have developed a comprehensive approach that combines traditional engineering with modern technology. For instance, they use a mix of hard structures like dikes and soft solutions such as wetlands to absorb excess water. This integrated method not only safeguards human lives and property, but also enhances biodiversity by creating new habitats for various species. In the Mississippi River Basin, bioengineering projects are helping to restore degraded riverbanks and improve water quality. These initiatives involve planting native vegetation, which stabilizes the soil and provides habitat for wildlife. Additionally, the use of natural materials like coir logs and willow stakes helps to reinforce the riverbanks without disrupting the natural landscape. This approach not only mitigates erosion, but also enhances the overall health of the river ecosystem. These successes demonstrate the positive impact of thoughtful engineering on both human and natural systems. By integrating engineering solutions with ecological principles, we can create sustainable environments that benefit all forms of life. The case studies from around the world highlight the importance of collaboration between engineers, environmentalists, and local communities. Together, they are making strides in combating erosion, protecting water quality, and ensuring the resilience of our river systems for future generations. Section 7. The Future of Rivers, a Balancing Act. As our climate changes, we can expect more extreme weather events. This will likely lead to increased riverbank erosion. Meeting this challenge will require innovative engineering solutions and a commitment to sustainable water management practices. We must find ways to accommodate the natural flow of rivers while also protecting the infrastructure and communities we have built along their banks. Section 8. Respecting nature's power, a call for harmony. Riverbank erosion is a reminder of the power of nature. It is a force that can both sustain and destroy. Our challenge is to learn to live in harmony with these dynamic systems. By combining our understanding of engineering with a deep respect for the natural world, we can create a future where both humans and rivers can thrive. Section 9. Conclusion: Shaping our destiny with rivers. Rivers have shaped our planet and our civilizations. They are a testament to the power of nature and the ingenuity of humankind. By embracing sustainable practices and innovative engineering, we can continue to shape our destiny alongside these vital waterways. The future